Welcome to IB.
Alright, I'm back. So again, this is General Math under new senior high school curriculum. Our objective for today is to calculate profit or loss in both absolute and percentage terms. So when we say profit, it is the amount gained by selling a product for more than its cost price. Again, when we say profit, amount gained more than its cost price. For the loss, the amount the seller incurs after selling the product less than its cost price. When we say cost price, it is the amount paid for a product or commodity to purchase, also denoted as C and P. This cost price is further classified into two different categories. First category is fixed cost. It is constant and it doesn't vary under any circumstances. The second category is the variable cost. It could vary depending on the number of units and other factors. For us to fully understand the two categories of costs, let's have this table. When we say fixed from the word itself, fixed, it doesn't change. Costs that do not change with the level of production or sales. And for the other category, which is the variable cost, it is a cost that change depending on production or sales. For fixed costs, it is not dependent on the outputs. It could be zero. For the variable cost, yes. And for example, for the fixed cost, it could be the rent, salaries, insurance, depreciation, because you are paying it regularly. It could be monthly, yearly. For the variable cost, it could be the electricity for use, delivery fees, commission, raw materials. Analogy. For the fixed cost, for example, the monthly Netflix subscription. You pay it whether you watch 0 or 50 shows, meaning it is constant. The rent is constant. The subscription is constant, whether you will use it or not. For the variable cost, for example, you keep on buying snacks or you are love eating snack, and it depends. If you spend more, you are going to eat more. You will consume more. You will buy more. And that is the variable cost. Now let's proceed with the selling price or SP. The amount for which the product is being sold. It is usually denoted as SP. Let's proceed. In calculating the profit or loss in absolute terms. Absolute terms. So the formula is selling price minus cost price in getting a profit, while for the loss, it is cost price minus selling price. Again, selling price minus cost price, and then cost price minus selling price. Let's proceed. Let's try an example. Let's say you bought a book for 10 pesos and that will be your cost price. $10. And your selling price is 15 pesos. So your profit will be 5 pesos because 15 minus 10. Let's proceed with another example. So the given here is cost price 1,000 and your selling price is 1,300. So how much will be your profit? So it will be 1,300 pesos minus 1,000. Your profit will be 300 pesos. Now, your turn. Can you do it for 15 seconds? Your timer starts now. Okay, so here the given is cost price 2,500 and the selling price is 2,200. And we can see here that the cost price is larger than the selling price, so we will have a loss. So the formula in getting a loss is cost price minus selling price. So our cost price is 2,500 minus the selling price 2,200. So our loss is 300 pesos. Okay, now let's proceed with the percentage. So in the percentage is it's either profit or loss all over the cost price times 100. Again, percentage profit, it will be profit divided by cost price times 100. And for the percentage of loss all over cost price times 100. Now let's go back. So what is the percent of profit in this example? So it will be profit divided by cost price times 100. The answer is 300 pesos divided by 1,000 pesos times 100. I'm sorry, times 100. The answer is 0.3 or 30%. What about here? What is the percent of loss? So again, this is loss all over cost price times 100. 300 divided by 2,500 times 100. The answer is 0.12 or 12%. That's how it works. This is absolute. This is the absolute. And this is your percentage. Same with here, absolute percentage. All right. Now it's your turn. Would you mind to do this for 15 seconds? Your timer starts now. Alright, time is up. So here, in the example, you bought, let's say, a shirt for 800 and then you sell it for 1000. So let's say the cost price is 800 and the selling price is 1000 pesos. So based on the given, we can say that you will gain because the selling price is greater than the cost price, so meaning you will have a profit. So let's get the profit. So it will become selling price minus cost price. So this is 1000 pesos minus 800. So the answer is 200. You will gain a profit of 200 pesos. And this is the absolute term. Absolute. Now let's have the percentage. So the percentage, you will have profit all over cost price times 100. So this will be 200 divided by 800 times 100. The answer is 0.25 or 25%, and that will be your percentage term. Again, this is your absolute term, and this will be your percentage term. Alright, now it's your turn. Would you mind to do this again in 15 seconds? Your timer starts now. Alright, now for the given, the cost price is 900 and your selling price is 750. And here, the cost price is greater than the selling price. Here, what about on this part, the cost price is less than the selling price. That's why you will gain a profit. But in this example, you will have a loss because the cost price is greater than the selling price. The formula in getting the loss is cost price minus the selling price. The cost price in this example is 900 pesos and the selling price is 750 pesos. So your loss is 150 and that is your absolute term. Now let's have the percentage term. For the loss, it is loss all over cost price times 100. So the loss that we computed is 150 pesos all over the cost price, which is 900 pesos, and multiply it by 100. The answer is 0.17 or 17%, meaning You lost 17%. This is your percentage. Term. Alright, now these are the formula that you need to remember. Now it's your turn. Yana bought a set of review books for 900 pesos, but later sold them for only 700 pesos. Question. What is Yana's loss and what is the loss percentage? You will do it for 25 seconds. Your timer starts now. Okay, let's check your answers. So Yana bought a set of review books for 900 pesos. So the given, our cost price is 900 pesos, but later sold them for only 700. So our selling price or sale price is 700 pesos. So here, the cost price is greater than the selling price, so you will have a loss instead of profit. Alright, so our formula in getting the loss or L is cost price minus selling price. So 900 pesos minus 700. So the answer is 200 pesos. And for the loss percentage, the formula in loss percentage is equal to the loss all over the cost price times 100. So the computed loss is 200 divided by the cost price, which is 900 pesos times 100. And the answer is 22.22%. Okay. Now, another task. Would you mind to do this for 35 seconds? Your timer starts now. Okay, now let's check your answers. All right. So for the profit, we have 200. For the given, we have cost price of 150 and the selling price of 200. So here, the cost price is less than the SB, so you will have a profit. So in this case, we need to subtract the selling price minus cost price, so we will have a 50 pesos profit. And for the percentage, 50 divided by 100 50, we will have times 100, we will have 33.33%. Wow, congratulations. The real life application of this lesson is that for consumers, know how much you will save or pay. And for entrepreneurs, price your products smartly by using the markup. For the consumers, you must know how to compute for a discount. And for the workers, track how inflation affects your wages. Alright, thank you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more math lessons. Comment your score from the quiz below and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Goodbye and see you in our next lesson.